Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with 1mancha. Yeah, so the G reached out to me on Instagram and said, dog, we need to put in some work for me. I said, oh, your main work have to put in. So, 1mancha, the one name No Mother, No Father. All production is done by him and his son. Him have a 14-year-old son, cause me the reason with him too. Our 14-year-old son who him do music with too. So I believe we're gonna see his son in this video, cause him say him and his son always do the collabs them. You see me? So big up yourself, real father. Big up yourself. We're gonna jump in on one here and here where 1mancha have to say in No Mother, No Father. It's an official music video. Hashtag motivation. So let's go. Also, guys, I'm gonna leave this one linked in the comment section. What I want you guys to do for me is go over there and drop a comment and tell them say, yo, JAMAICA'S Gamer, send it up. Please. Yeah, do that to me. Alright? Let's go. 1mancha record. I believe I'm sorted.
Him exposed to gun, say no know about love, him never get now. Him say fi shoot people and rap people, that's all he ever knows. No mother, no father, who else cares? Yeah.
I'm that. 1mancha, you that. Yo, your son favor your dog. Your little son favor your brother. No joke. Let's stop. Come on, see that? And the big son to told him from your brother.
5-year-old him exposed to gun, say no know about love, him never get now. Him say fi shoot people and rap people, that's all he ever know.
And that is the sad truth. That is the sad reality. Enough of these youths are fatherless. Them look on the youth, them are up on the corner as them role model. The youth them on the corner where I do the wrong things them, and I drive the pretty car them, and I get the hot girl them. Them look at them youth as the role model because there's no father.
They shoot people and rap people, that's all he ever knows. No mother, no father, who else cares? Yeah. No mother, no father, who else cares? Me no need no napkin, make me cry my tears.
Man, I say, yo, no mother, no father. Guess what? You don't need no napkin, brother. You don't need no handout. You don't need no napkin. You don't need no sorry for. Make me cry my tears, because them tears are half a fall. That's how the G tell us, right, Tessa?
Me no need no napkin. Make me cry my tears. Him say love the street, but the street no love no one. So him find himself in the wrong girl. He give you
what me just say a while ago at the start. Yeah? The man say, him say him love the street, but guess what? The street don't love nobody. Cartel don't tell you. The streets don't love nobody. The streets don't love nobody, brother. So him find himself in the wrong hands, in the wrong gang. You see me? Now the gang, I go utilize him and use him for the wrong things. Brainwash the little youth.
The street, but the street don't love no one. So him find himself in the wrong gang. He give him heart and him soul and him loyalty to the wrong man. From him up for them, I show him through window. Himself, and them cool and them artificial. In turn 30.
Watch it, you see? Bigger heads game I gone a while ago. From them up for them, I show him looking you through window.
Them I show him through window. Himself, and them cool and them artificial. In turn 30, now I him and the most notorious. No mother, no father, who else cares? Yeah. Need the napkin, make me cry my tears.
I just hope that enough ghetto youth can enough young youth can hear this and actually look at themselves and say yo, as well the G's have the truth. The street don't love nobody. For real, the street don't love nobody for truth. Only two places not going up in 35 to life or 6'6" and that dirt, you know. You know? So big up yourself, 1mancha.
Me no need the napkin. Me cry my tears. Say in the fear the law, not the constitution. Anybody with this sim face execution. Yeah. And the man who give the first gun, start fearing.
You see it? The person who make him become the monster that he is today, fear him now. Remember saying no, him don't tell you say him no fear the law, nor the constitution, you know. Anybody diss him, a execution style, them a get it in a brother. Binds them a get. You know?
Yeah. And the man will give the first gun, start fearing. The man know fi play the game like a cat and mouse. Any man do with a pay get real time out. Yeah. Him live life jump. Hey, my sister brother, watch you with the trad. So criminal that road that look soul for rob.
That a true. That a true. Them they a road that look so right. Them a do it.
Hey, my sister brother, watch you with the trad. So criminal that road that look soul for rob. Yeah. To the man cool, all him wanna dance set him up. Faith run in pan him and catch him with the force shopping. Them charge him for murder and kidnapping.
Told the man bad, all him wanna dance set him up. Them him get out of control towards the same gang, towards the same dads. Where give him the first gun, where shoot him through window at age 4, him have to end up set him up. Cause not even the Dan not trust him anymore.
Faith run in pan him and catch him with the force shopping. Them charge him for murder and kidnapping. Yeah. Why am me alone there, sir? Why am me alone I face the judge? Why am me alone I get charged? Right though. Yeah.
Remember that. When you're out there do your crime, you're your friend them, and you tell me, yo, I'm a brother, that's my brother, that's my brother. No. When you're in a court, and looking at judge face, are you alone and go down there in that the wall there? Are you alone and go down that the wall there? And if you snitch, them say snitches forget stitches. So you know what that mean. Are you alone and go face your judgment and that death so?
Why am me alone I get charged? Right though. Yeah. No mother, no father. Who else cares? Me know so them say yeah. No mother, no father.
Yeah, take it easy, you know. I'll go on with you.
Yeah, man, things are move slow and
Things are move slow? What do you mean things are move slow? But I have you on a schedule. If you work the schedule, make you plan everything will go, don't you?
yeah, do that, man, that's too slow, man.
So we are do that.
I don't know, me happy straight kidnapping thing.
You know, so me hear that little thing, a real thing.
Real thing,
Me I bring you up the way the street work. You have to follow my example. But kidnapping something not gonna work.
That are the problem with people like this man you have now, you know. You hear him just set the little Jove, him say him a bring it up the way all the street work. Yo, you see the big man them, when time only they dip on the road are doing no badness, it changed now from them look youth here, dog. Them look youth and now not better.
Work, you have to follow my example.
No, it doesn't.
But kidnapping something not gonna work.
Man, no want hear that?
They say money there right there, man.
Yeah.
You have to take time, you have to never say new in the street, you know. So the drugs money are gonna come in after a while.
You know, me, I do right, I know. Not tell me foolish, man.
See it?
So you know this to me. You know, follow me, I tell you. I tell you so then you tell nowadays, you know, I tell you, man.
No, man, no business, brother. You stop doing the man and box it up, brother.
Refusing. You either end up at dead house or you end up in prison. Try and find someone that can motivate you to do the right. Yeah, no to violence. To all young youth.
See it? Yo, the end. One man chap, big up yourself. But like the basically the moral of the story is young youths and girls too. Don't get influenced by the negative out there. Don't see the glamour and the glitter and the gold and think your peace and safety. A sudden destruction, you know. A sudden destruction. You see me? So you have to be careful at the part where you chose. You see me? All because he never have a mother and a father around him. Because a boom man say, yo, listen, don't do that. Him end up on the wrong street, on the road. And see, you know, the same man will take him to the street after end up selling him out. It could have saved him life too. Brother. Me I tell you that. Yeah, man. Yeah. These are the songs that doesn't get the recognition that it should. Songs like these need to be pointed more out there so the kids them can learn from it and see what go on. Big up man thing. You see me? Yeah. Like them thing, your dog. One man, big up yourself. Big up your son, you see me? Yeah, man, big up your son, them, man. You see me? But yeah, this is how I'm gonna leave the one still, guys. Like me say, in the intro, I'm gonna leave the one here in the description. You can go over there, go give him a follow. And also drop a comment on the video and tell us the JAMAICA'S game I send you. Please, please. See me? Alright. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.